Every area of Montenegro is a little bit different in a way what sort of food you can get there, what sort of even culture you can meet there, the way how people live there. Usually, if you think about it, you have a country which is 600,000 people, and it doesn't really look much, right? So if you look at it, I told you that this is basically the whole country is a population of Helsinki or Boston, just one regular town somewhere in Central Europe or North America. And when you think about it, you can literally cross the country from south to the north in say 3 hours. And within those 3 hours, you will observe the change of culture, landscapes, nature, and also the way how people treat you. Coast is quite spoiled by tourism because tourism been there for a long time, and now prices skyrocketed, and everyone just look at you as a tourist which comes here once, because most of the tourists come to Montenegro just once. But then you travel into the north, where people actually do their work, working in a on the land. So they grow crops, they produce honey. That's how much money they're gonna get for feeding their family. For me, the nicest part of Montenegro is to be able to get onto the bike and within 2-3 hours change the environment and feel that you're traveling. You can get the feel of traveling just going shorter distance than usual, because if you're somewhere from United States or from Europe, what's usually going to happen is that to feel that you're travel, you have to cover long distance. It can be 1,000 kilometers to go from one state to another or from one country to another. At least you cover like thousands of kilometers. Where here, with a distance of like 200 kilometers, you're in the north, with a different landscape, you're in the mountains, with different cuisine which you can try there, because southern cuisine is more about like fish and seafood, and north is more about meat and homemade stuff. That is a beauty. That is a beauty that you can organize vacation for yourself for like 2-3 days, and within those 3 days you can actually get feel of traveling. Like when you talk about Balkans and when you talk about Montenegro in particular, people don't feel that they are safe here, or they might not be safe here, or they feel that this area is undeveloped. And it can be undeveloped in a way that what you can buy, how you can pay, what sort of roads you can ride. But I'm telling you, when you're here, you will be surprised how wrong that image is. So roads here are great. You can pay by card almost anywhere. So cash is sort of like option, but that option is basically from it's still there, but it's not the case anymore, right? So you can easily pay by card anywhere. If you're staying somewhere in the north, you will be surrounded by wild nature. Crime is not the thing here in Montenegro because, again, country is so small, and everyone knows everyone. Or if something happens in certain area, like everyone's gonna know about it, and that's what makes it sort of safe. You will be really surprised how dense variety of certain things around Montenegro, and how quickly you can change your environment here. Say for me, simply today, right? So I was in the coast like hour ago, and there you have 25 degrees Celsius temperature, people like wearing shorts and t-shirts, and I'm here in the mountains where I have layers on me. It is 15 degrees and it's still a little bit chilly here. You can see some cloudy weather is going on, but what is good is that I'm just sitting here enjoying my coffee and the pancakes, and I'm sort of feel detached from all the rush which is down there on the coast. And yeah, that is a beauty. That is a beauty of it. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is that if Montenegro is not on your map yet, just maybe you should consider it. Or if it's already on your map and you're traveling there, just just enjoy the flow and be open for everything you can see, and you can experience here. And as usual, if you need any help, ask your questions below this video. And for any motorcycle related stuff, you can also reach out, because we'll be happy to help you and do our best to organize your journey here around Montenegro on a motorcycle. Okay, now for me it's time to to finish my probably cold by now pancakes and continue riding. Okay, see you next one. Cheers.